Learn English with me, Conversations. Exploring the mall. Wow, this mall is amazing. So beautiful. It's my first time here. Yes, it's fantastic. I love it here. They have so many different shops here. It smells so good, doesn't it? Yes, yummy for my tummy. Do you want to explore a little, then eat? That sounds good. And we can apply for a job along the way. Okay, let's go. So much to see and so little time. Two perfect places next to each other. Ice cream and freshly baked goodies. Yum! I am coming back here after we've explored a bit. I love chocolate and hazelnut and coffee and tiramisu ice cream. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Oh, any flavor of ice cream is good. I love them all. Let's finish exploring so we can eat. Ooh, books and music. What kind of music do you like? I like pop, hip-hop, and Afro beats. What do you like? No, let me guess. You're a Swiftie. No, not particularly. I like some of her songs. I like some pop, jazz, and some Afro beats. Inside the cinema is really nice, and the seats are really comfy. Bling bling. You're funny. Are you blind like me? Do you wear contacts? No, my vision is perfect. 20/20. Electronics. You used to call me on my cell phone. You're funny too. Ooh, home goods. Love. Do you see that? Fashionista is hiring. Yes, let's finish exploring, then go in and apply. It would be so cool to work there. Yes, I love their clothes. Discounts! Ooh, shoes next door. So exciting. And cosmetics. And this store is for men. Okay, I'm done exploring. Let's go apply. Applying for a job.
Hello, ladies. How may I help you?
We saw that you are hiring and would like to apply.
Great. So you need 2 application forms?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Please fill them out clearly. Then you can leave them here with me.
A few minutes later,
Okay. We will review it and give you a call in a few days.
okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies. You have a good day as well.
That went well. I hope they hire both of us. Yes, fingers crossed we get good news. Did you see the incredible clothes on the racks? Yes! I could hardly focus on the application. All I could think was, I want that and that. Me too. If I get hired, my first paycheck is spent. Let's eat now. I'm getting hungry. Me too. Let's go to the bakery first. I can't believe we just met each other. I'm having so much fun. Yes, it's been fun getting to know you. And maybe soon we'll be working together. I'm glad the mall is not crowded yet. We're early. There are always so many people. Here we are at the bakery, finally. It's chow time. Croissants, anyone? My sandwich was delicious. Now dessert. Mmm. Mine was yummy too. Your ice cream cone looks as good as mine. What flavors did you get? Chocolate, strawberry, and hazelnut. What are your flavors? Cherry, lemon, and mango. Very fruity. Let's eat our ice creams before they melt. Saying goodbye. That was the best ice cream ever. I know, right? Well, Debbie, this was such a nice time with you. I have to get back to campus now. We should meet again soon. Yes, Liz, it was a blast. I think I'm going to pop back into the bakery to get some fresh bread to take home with me. You have my phone number, and I will call you too. Great. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Same to you. Bye. Learn English with Me conversations feature easy-to-follow dialogues from everyday situations. Each scenario offers great reading and listening practice for beginner through advanced levels. If you find it difficult to follow, continue to watch it again and again until you become comfortable with the dialogues. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes.